Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, I'll show you how should I create a meta ads campaign after the Andromeda update. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So first of all, I'll be discussing about what is Andromeda and what are the key features or benefits of using this. And in the later part of the video, I'll demonstrate you how I implemented everything according to Andromeda in a live meta ads campaign. Okay, perfect. So let's get to know what is Andromeda. So you can see over here, I have created a doc for the Andromeda, and I have collected everything from the official documentation of Meta. Okay, so if you search what is Andromeda, then you can get the Meta ads official documentation about the Andromeda update. Okay, so you can see the Meta Andromeda update is a significant change to its ad delivery system, replacing manual interest-based targeting with an AI-driven model that prioritizes creative diversity and broad targeting. With Andromeda, creative content such as the image, headline, and caption now act as the primary signal for matching ads to users, shifting to the focus from who to target to what to show and how to show it. Advertisers must adapt by consolidating campaigns using broad targeting and provide a wide variety of ad creatives to fit the AI algorithm. So what are the key aspects of the Andromeda update? You can see over here, I have mentioned a couple of uh, key aspects. One of them are AI-driven ad retrieval. Andromeda is Meta's new AI system that scans thousands of ads to predict which ones a user is likely to engage with, making decisions in real time. Okay, so very important point. Then the next one is shift from targeting to creative. The era of hyper-specific interest-based targeting is over. The success of a campaign now depends more on the quality and variety of creative content than on the target audience. So these two are the most important key aspects of Andromeda updates. Okay. Then broad targeting is the key. To allow the AI to learn and optimize effectively, advertisers should use broad targeting instead of complex segmented audiences. Then creative diversity. Instead of focusing on finding a single winning ad, the new strategy involves creating a diverse portfolio of ads with different angles, tones, and formats. This gives the AI more option to match with the right users. And the last one is consolidated campaigns. The update encourages advertisers to consolidate their ad sets into fewer broad campaigns to simplify campaign structure and give the algorithm more budget to work with. Okay, perfect. So this is the theoretical part of the Andromeda update. And in the later part of the video, we'll show you how we have implemented all of them in a live campaign. Okay, so I have created a Miro campaign strategy for the Andromeda update. Okay, so you can see here we'll have one campaign. So you can have multiple campaigns, no worries. For example, if you create a campaign for website leads, and there should be one ad set, and you can give CBO or ABO as the ad set budget, where you will target broad audience. Okay, and you can only customize age, gender, and location. Like if you want to run an ads for a gym, for example, in the later part of the video I am gonna talking about a gym centers. For example, the age targeting would be 18 to 45, gender would be female, and location would be Joondalup, for example. So you can only customize these broad audiences or broad targeting, and what you can do is you can give retargeting signals in the same ad set. So make sure you are creating only one ad set where you will have the broad targeting, and along with the broad targeting you are giving retargeting signals like website visitors for last 180 days, 50% video viewers of Facebook and Instagram pages, Facebook and Instagram engagers for the last 365 days or 1 year. Okay, so this is the thing you need to do after the Andromeda update. Then we need to go to the ads. So you can see over here, I have, I will have at least 10 to 12 ads in one ad set. This is called creative diversity, so you can create uh, an ads for UGC Reels video, then ads 2 could be UGC long video, ad 3 could be for testimonial video 1, ad 4 testimonial Reels, ad 5 service video, ad 6 feature video, add 7 static single image, add 8 10 carousel image, add 9 carousel videos, add 10 benefit videos. So you can give 8 to 12 ads uh, for this ad set, and in each ad you need to use 5 different headlines and primary text. So needs to be uh, this needs to be specific for each ads, so we are giving so many options, so many angles, so many diversity to our meta ads. Then meta algorithm will uh, give us the performance on the basis of creatives. Okay, so and after each 14 days or 2 weeks, you need to shuffle the ad creatives, so you can keep the best performing one and you can pause the low performing one based on CTR, conversions, cost per conversion. So those are the things. Now let's move on the live campaign, how we have implemented these sort of things in a real campaign. So you can see over here, I'm one of the ads accounts of one of my clients. Okay, so let's select. So I am running so many campaigns for them. So let's select one of them, this one. So let's edit this and show you how we made the changes. So I have created this campaign yesterday. Okay, and campaign budget is this. Then we are optimizing for website leads. Okay, so this is the campaign and this is the targeting. You can see over here conversion, location, website, performance goals, maximize number of conversions. Then this is the dataset name or pixel name. Previously we called pixel, now it is dataset, Joondalup Black Friday. Okay, so this is targeted for the Black Friday. Then conversion event is definitely leads. Then it will be ending on November 28th. Then you can see over here in the audiences, as I told you, you can make changes for 3 parameters, gender, locations, and what is the other one? Let me show you. Age, gender, and location. Okay, so we have made changes for only the location for this instance. So you can see over here, I'm including Joondalup 10-mile radius and excluding some of the other locations. Okay, and we're giving the audience signal. So this is kind of Google Ads Performance Max audience signal. You need to give the signal to Meta, then they will give you the performance on the basis of data, So you can see over here 50% video views, Joondalup last 1 year, meta page engagers, Joondalup last 1 year, then website visitor last 6 months, Instagram engagers last 1 year. Okay, and if you just a minute, if you go to ads, then you can see over here I have created 10 to 12 ads for this. So this one is for testimonial by a customer. This is a short video format. Then this is the gym coordinator video ads. Then carousel images. I have used 10 carousel images. Then UGC body pump with the trainer. Okay. Then static images. Okay. Then I have used carousel videos. Then UGC long videos, then UGC short videos, then fast impression testimonial video, then the company owner uh, is describing about his services with the long video. you can see over here. So those are the different variations, those are the different ad angles, those are the different ad creatives I'm providing. So I would suggest you after the, and in each ads I'm using 5 different primary text, 5 different headlines, 5 different call to no only one call to action. I'm not using 5. So 5 different primary text and 5 different headlines. So what you can do is you can follow this structure like one campaign, one ad set with broad targeting and different types of retargeting audience signals, and 10 to 12 ads with uh, different varieties, like one for single image, the testimonial, UGC, then carousel videos, carousel images, static images. Okay, so then your company owner is describing about your services, features or benefits, So you need to give 3 stages of funnels videos, like top of the funnel, middle of the funnel, bottom of the funnel, because you don't know which one is going to be performing. So I would request you to follow this structure and make the campaign, then you will see you will be profitable with the meta ads. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day.